Hello everyone, this is Wasim and welcome to my YouTube channel W4 Tech. In today's video, let's talk about the best features for Windows 10. I'm gonna cover 10 tips and tricks that will make your life a lot easier. I'm definitely sure you are gonna find something new here because some of these are what I considered hidden features in Windows 10. So let's start the video. Trick number 1. Next level pasting with clipboard history. Everyone knows about copying and pasting with the shortcuts Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, right? But did you know that you are not limited to pasting just the last thing you copied to the clipboard history? You save multiple copied items and use them anytime you want. So, for example, I am writing a report. Currently I am in Google Chrome browser and I am copying the text from internet. And I copied different parts of the text with Ctrl+C. Then I go back with my document, but instead of Ctrl+V, which would only paste the last copied item, I press the Windows+V to access the clipboard history here. I can see all the entries I copied and I can select which one I want to paste. Is not that great? No more flipping back and forth between applications to copy and paste each bit separately. And no more accidentally losing some copy text, because if you forget to paste and copy something new over it, you can copy text, HTML and bitmap up to 5 MB per item. For doing this, firstly you may have to activate clipboard history in the settings. Firstly, to do that, just press the Windows key and type in clipboard settings. Here make sure clipboard history is turned on. If it is off, then turn on this. One more great features. Let's say you have some items on your clipboard that you use frequently and you would like to be able to reuse these even after rebooting your computer. No problem for clipboard history. You can pin these items. Just click on the ellipse and select pin. They will be still there next time you log in. The unpinned items on your clipboard history are cleared every time you restart your PC. Only those items you pinned are going to remain on the clipboard. Trick number 3 is virtual desktop. So let's you are working on a project and you have several apps open. Then an appointment pops up reminding you that you need to join a video conference to present a status update when you share your screen. You don't want everyone to see all the other files you are working on, and you don't want to close them either because it's gonna take some time to get it all set up again. The solution is to switch another clean temporary workspace, which is also called as virtual desktop. Click on the taskbar and then on the plus new desktop, or use the shortcut key Windows Ctrl+D. This way you get an empty workspace. You can several of these virtual desktops to switch between them. Use the shortcut key Windows Ctrl and the arrows keys. Trick number 4 is hide desktop icons with one click. This is quick one. It is a feature I used a lot. It is to hide icons on my desktop. This is especially useful for me when I record my computer screen for capturing video lectures or give a presentation. To hide all your icons, right click on the desktop and select view. You see showed as some icons. It's on by default, but if you uncheck it, your icons on the desktop disappears. When you are ready to bring them back, just select it again to put them back the check mark. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the today video. If you currently watching this video, it means you enjoying the video. Please hit the like button and write a big line of comment in comment section, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting and useful updates.